So her husband was just minding his business working around the house when he kept hearing this strange noise. Naturally, he goes to check it out, and what does he find? This. The cat has a game plan whenever the dog demands all the attention. He goes straight for the dog's bed, knowing it'll cause enough distraction for the dog to leave. Once the dog is back and settled in, the cat waits for the perfect moment, then quietly sneaks back to her side, where he knows he has her full attention. This guy was just doing his workout when his cat randomly climbed onto his head like it was totally normal. Instead of stopping or freaking out, he just kept lifting, as if this happened every day. The cat looked completely at home too, lounging up there and getting free head scratches with every rep. Some things just can't be replaced, but in this case, it's not because of memories, it's because of their cat. He's absolutely obsessed with the sound it makes. He even closes his eyes after each plunk, like he's feeling it in his soul. This cat hates the vacuum, but it's also a little paranoid. Every time the blender turns on, the cat goes straight for the vacuum, ready to throw hands with it, even when it's completely off. This cat is the definition of loyal until the automatic feeder goes off. No matter what his owner is doing, he's always right by her side, staring at her with pure love. But the second he hears the feeder, betrayal. No hesitation, no second thoughts. They went to the Humane Society with plans to adopt, but little did they know, they'd meet the perfect cat right away. Theodore caught her attention instantly, and even though they weren't sure he was available, a quick check on the website revealed he was up for adoption. Would you adopt him? So she got woken up at 5 a.m. by a big bang to find her cat knocked a tub of black paint on their newly fitted carpets. No, the tub wasn't open, and no, it's not rolled at the bottom step. It was her husband's attempt of cleaning the pools of paint left with a scraper and brush. Her mom thought it would be fun to bring the cat along for a boat ride. Everything was calm until the cat noticed ducks in the water. It was obvious what was about to happen, but instead of stopping it, she filmed. A second later, the cat jumped right in, swimming after the ducks.